So first open Zoom, then go to new meeting, then select start a meeting. Wait for a few moments. Now you'll see the Zoom in the upper portion. There is a Zoom written. Click on it. You will see a screen like this, Bikidullah's Zoom meeting. There you will see a meeting ID and a passcode. You just note them down. We'll need it later. Now click on participants and then invite and then copy link. Copy invite link. Now your Zoom is done. You can close the Zoom app for now. So now go to your Pocket Study app. Click it open. Wait for a few moments. There you will see your name itself. Then go to live classes. After that, start live class now. Click on start live class now. Then select video type. Click there. You select Zoom live class, Zoom live stream. Okay. For the title, you can give your class, whichever class you want to have interaction with, or you have in the routine. So I have class 10 advanced math, so I've written title as class 10 advanced math. In the description, you can write interactive class or whatever you may like. Then after that, click done. Then we'll need that meeting ID and passcode, which we obtained through Zoom. So I had screenshotted it. So I'm just looking at the screenshot and copying the meeting ID and the passcode. You can write the meeting ID down in a copy or a notebook, then it will be easy for you. So first you copy write the meeting ID, then you just simply write the passcode from the Zoom. Now be careful with the passcode because you have to write it exactly as it is, small letter for small letter, capital for capital. Now select on push notification. Now select live class and then you have to select the date and time on which you have to do that interactive or live class. So I have the class today, so it is 10 May. You can select the later dates also. Then select time. So you can select the time like it is very easy. Just you point at the time that is scheduled for your class timing. After that, click on next in the upper portion. Then you'll see the screen. Click on teacher. Then click on select your department, that is main department. Only one option is there. Now you can select your class. Then your subject is very easy. Just click on the required boxes. Then you select the lesson. Then you select the topic. Then you click on the box of live class. Yes. Then you select which sections you have. If you have 2 or 3 sections, you can select all the 3 sections together. Then you click on publish, and you have successfully schedule your class. Now you can close the Pocket Study for now. So at the time of your scheduled class, just click on Pocket Study. When you have to do that live class, click on Pocket Study, go to live classes, and you will see, just scroll down and you will see your class, whichever class you have to enter in that time. So as you can see, there are so many classes scheduled. I can see my class as this one. I have the class at 18:30 Advanced Maths Bikidullah. So you just click on it